In this video, I am going to talk about the benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products. One of the main benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products is that they are better for the environment. Traditional cleaning products can contain harsh chemicals that can pollute the air and water. Eco-friendly cleaning products are designed to minimize this impact and often come in recyclable or biodegradable packaging. Using eco-friendly cleaning products can also be safer for employees. Traditional cleaning products can contain chemicals that are harmful to inhale or that can cause skin irritation. These items are made with non-toxic ingredients that are safer for employees to use. Some customers may be sensitive to the smell or residue left behind by traditional cleaning products. Eco-friendly cleaning products are often designed to be odorless and leave behind no residue, which can be more appealing to customers. Using eco-friendly cleaning products can be a great marketing tool for cleaning businesses. Many consumers are looking for businesses that are doing their part for the environment, and using these products can be a way to differentiate a business from competitors. So how exactly do you use eco-friendly cleaning products? The first step is to research eco-friendly cleaning products. Look for products that are specifically designed for cleaning and that are made with non-toxic plant-based ingredients. Once you have selected your eco-friendly cleaning products, it's important to train your employees on how to use them. It's also important to learn how to hire employees for cleaning. Make sure they understand the ingredients in the products and how to use them safely and effectively. Let your customers know that you are using eco-friendly window cleaning products in your business. You can include information about your cleaning products on your website or in your marketing materials. You can also educate your customers on the benefits of using eco-friendly products. When you order your eco-friendly cleaning products, make sure to select products that come in recyclable or biodegradable packaging. This will further reduce your environmental impact and show your customers that you are committed to sustainability. In addition to using products, you can also consider using eco-friendly equipment in your business. Once you have started using eco-friendly cleaning products in your business, make sure to market this to your customers. Include information about your eco-friendly practices on your website and in your marketing materials. You can also use social media to showcase your commitment to sustainability and encourage your followers to choose eco-friendly options. Consider partnering with local green organizations, such as environmental groups or sustainable business networks. By working with these organizations, you can increase your visibility in the community and show that you are committed to sustainability. To incentivize customers to choose your business over competitors, consider offering discounts or promotions for customers who choose your eco-friendly cleaning services. You can also use loyalty programs to reward repeat customers who choose your business for its environmental practices. In addition to the environmental benefits, highlight the customer benefits of using eco-friendly cleaning products. For example, you can emphasize that eco-friendly products are safer for families with young children or pets, or that they can improve air quality in the home. Look for local events or fairs that focus on sustainability or green living. By participating in these events, you can reach a new audience and show your commitment to sustainability. Consider showcasing your sustainable practices to potential customers. This could include including information about your eco-friendly cleaning products on your business cards or in your proposals. You could also display posters or banners in your vehicle or on job sites. Collecting feedback from your customers can help you understand their preferences and needs. Consider including a question about your eco-friendly practices in your customer relationship management survey. This can help you gauge whether your eco-friendly practices are resonating with your customers. In conclusion, using eco-friendly cleaning products is a great way for businesses to reduce their environmental impact and attract more customers. By choosing products that are safe for the environment and human health, small businesses can differentiate themselves from competitors and show that they are committed to sustainability. With the right marketing strategies, small businesses can leverage their eco-friendly practices to win more business and become a leader in the community for sustainable practices. By following the tips outlined in this article, cleaning businesses can successfully use eco-friendly cleaning products to improve their bottom line and make a positive impact on the environment.